Hey everybody, I'm here to tell you about Warm AI Chat, which allows your prospects visiting your website to be chatted with a human and personal sounding individual, technically bot, but then notifies a real person to hop in and continue the conversation. Or the AI can just auto book meetings for you. Let's check it out in action. So let's say I'm on the pricing page and I'm scrolling around and I'm trying to understand what's going on. Interestingly, as you can see here, Catherine on our team sends a AI-driven message. Hey, love that you're checking out Warmly. How can I assist you? Just curious, what interested you in our product? How'd you find out about us? All of this is programmable. And notice something crazy. She says, hey, Vikas. That's because I'm joining in from basically a fake account for somebody from Closed Loop named Vikas, who's a product engineer there. So as you can see, we can personalize the chat messages. How compelling is this? Why would I not want to click and engage with this person? So the key value props for what AI chat does for you is it helps save you time because the bot can basically pre-message all interesting prospects on your website and ensure that they're actually interested in chatting before you bring in a human to chat. It creates personalization at scale because it can pull in the information of the person and the company that's visiting your website and allow you to chat with them about who they are and what they're doing. And lastly, it drives deep interaction. It just increases the rate of people who want to reply. So let's take a deeper look under the hood at exactly how this works. Then I'll give you key use cases for how I use this every day within Warmly, and then top tips on how you can create your prompts to be engaging and compelling, and how to maximize success in using AI chat. So we're going to head over to Warmly's AI chat setting. After you turn it on, you can choose who the default user is that's going to be sending out messages, and you can create prompts. Prompts are basically ways to train the AI on exactly what to say. So, for example, our prompt right now is, if you know the person's location, start the conversation saying how you love that location. If you don't know the location, you must say, hey, real human here. Do not include text like location or fun fact or warmly.ai. These are like tweaks we've added over time. Make the tone extremely casual. Don't ask questions. Do it in 10 words or less. And then the second prompt, we have an exact phrase. Just wondering what prompted you to check us out. How'd you hear about us? Do it in 20 words or less. So as you can see, this closely mirrors what's going on here with Vikas. But what's cool is you can change that however you like. Even more compelling is that you can only choose to use AI chat on particular conditions. So you can basically add triggers for how you want AI chat to happen. Whether it's when somebody lands on a page, a particular page, or when somebody starts a session on your website. So for example, right now, Warmly's AI chat does not trigger on our homepage. We decided that we only want to use AI chat on sub pages because that shows a higher intent for the person. Additionally, you could have AI chat only happen for certain prospects. So maybe for Max's name deals, for companies in our ICP or outside of our ICP, or maybe you want to do it only if it's an existing opportunity, or maybe an account that's not already in your CRM. The world's your oyster for who you choose to AI chat with. I think the more people you AI chat with, the better. But of course, you don't want to AI chat with a prospect with a random visitor who's not going to convert. You want to AI chat with prospects. So what I do is when I engage and somebody finally replies on AI chat, hey, Catherine, what's up? I want to be alerted right away. That's why over in Slack you can see the inbound response. So down here we see that Catherine the AI chatted twice, and now the human replied. So what I want to do is in one click, I'm going to jump on and I'm going to try to reply to this person who's AI chatted with me. That's the power of Warmly, is that we're able to live loop you in. So I can see who the person is, what they're chatting about, and I can say, hey, Max here tagging in for Catherine, if it's not the person to reach out to. And then I can even drive a human behavior, which is turning on my actual video. So we've gone from AI chat to a human in the loop reaching out. Now that can be great, but you can also just have the AI chat infinitely chat with the person and try to book a meeting. We have meeting links in the product so they can live put in their meeting link. I'll just put in one manually, but the AI chat can do that for you. But that's the power of AI chat. Now, the real question is, what kind of messages do you want your AI chat to say? So here's the extended AI chat completion where they continue to chat with the person over time. But we're going to go down to AI chat for just the first couple of prompts so you can get a flavor for it. So I want to give you my top tips for how I use what's called prompting logic, which is where you decide what the AI chat should say. First, make it short and simple. Second, play around with whether you want to use their real name or their company name. Now, if you don't know the person's real name, it'll just default to the company name. But what's really cool is that it pulls in context on the company. So you could say something like leverage or like say why you want, or say why this particular visiting company would like your software. And what's cool is the AI chat is actually primed to know what your software is. When you create an account with us, it feeds in and scrapes your website to understand who am I, what is my company that I'm trying to sell, because this AI chat is really kind of like an AI SDR. The other thing that I would say is you could say welcome them back if they've been here before. So what this means is if they come back a second or a third time, you'll be greeting them because it's pretty useful. The fourth thing I want to recommend is try different experiments, right? So you can do things like tell a joke. You can do things like, be sure to include this booking link. Like that. So it'll auto-include the booking link of the person that's going to be there. And one thing that we like is using the person's location. It's like, oh, what's it going? How's the weather in Texas? Stuff like that. So that can all be really powerful. The last thing I want to mention doing to really personalize the experience is to use our video greetings feature. That allows a nice looking pop-up of a person to make it really feel real that your AI chat is magical and connective to the person you're working with. So just to kind of scroll back and look at some of the successful conversations we've had, here is other options for what we can do. So maybe AI chat says what's prompting you to check it out. This person says just visiting, no inquiry. Great. I don't have to waste the human's time. I'll let them do their thing and kind of chat over it all. And then we can sort of see. Let's see what other good conversations are coming up. Let's see. Okay. So this one says, hey, what are you doing? And it's like, oh, where are you guys headquartered out of? I just got a cold email from Alan's marketing campaign on the MVP launch landing page. So here somebody's getting an email from us and is now reaching out to chat. So as you can see, it's really great. We have lots of conversations going on. This one says, hey, AI chat started, and then, hey, can I get your email before you get disconnected? And the person says, sure, here's my email. And so we can reach out to them. All right. Well, that is Warm AI Chat at its finest, and we hope you check it out and try it for yourself.